What's going on, everybody? I hope you're all having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about why does everybody want the housing market to crash. Everybody is literally tired of this market. You're tired of this market. Me as a real estate agent, I'm tired of this market. Me as an investor, I'm tired of this market. You as whatever you might be in this housing market, you're tired of it. Prices are way too high. Things are way too crazy. And in this video, I'm explaining to you why everybody wants it to crash. What are the true fundamentals in the housing market? Are we going to see a crash? And more. So guys, if you enjoy this video and you get any value, hit the like button and let's get started. So the question you want to ask yourself is, am I and you evil? Is that why we want the housing market to crash? Are we salty or jealous because people own real estate and maybe we don't? Do we want them to lose values in their properties and that's just really why we want it to crash? That's a clear question you can ask yourself, right? But we both know the answer, and the answer is no. That's not why we want it to crash. In fact, we want it to crash to give opportunity to other people, for us, for other buyers, for other investors. We want it to crash because we want the markets to be more realistic. We want it to crash because right now fundamentals are not fundamentals. Whether in the real estate market, the stock market, the economy in whole, you're talking about 15 to 25% year over year appreciation in some states. That's not fundamentals in real estate. We average on real estate typically, if you're looking at real estate and how much it appreciates year over year, 2% to 6%. Depends where you are. A lot goes into play, but that's really the hope as a homeowner, is you want those numbers to hit. So we're not wanting it to crash because we're evil. You're not evil, I know that for sure. Or maybe are you? That's aside from the point. We want it to crash because we want opportunities. Guys, investors cannot get their hands on properties because institutional buyers are wiping them out. Home buyers can't get their hands on properties because investors and institutional buyers are wiping them out. I'm seeing right now on homes that we're trying to bid on, corporations are our competition. Coming in hefty with cash offers. Coming in hefty, ready to buy out the property as is. And that right there is affecting me and affecting you. And then it gives you a bad taste in your mouth. You're somebody who probably offered on 10, 20, 30 homes, losing every single time, wondering what's going on. Is it my realtor's fault? Are my offers not good enough? Is the market just that crazy? And you got so many questions. You're so frustrated. Your lease is about to expire. You gave a vision to your family. You're just trying to make a move because you're ready. You're trying to relocate, but you can't even get situated. And now you got to go thousands out of pocket just to find a temporary stay. I'm seeing this every single day. So when you ask yourself, why is everybody so curious and so wanting a housing crash, guys, it's because of these reasons. And on top of that, the markets are not always supposed to keep going up. Something that just keeps going up eventually has to come down. Whether it comes down as a crash, as a correction, as a cool-off period, something has to happen. And people are just waiting. Should I buy with these premium prices or should I wait? And there's no direct answer because we just saw the eviction moratoriums were about to expire. Then they did. And now they're saying that there's a new eviction moratorium out that's going to protect certain people. The governments are kicking the can down the road. You're talking about all these forbearances, all these protection programs, all these relief programs. This is why the reality is not within the housing market. And this is why people are saying, just please give us the reality of the market. Let it crash. Let us have opportunity, because affordability is not even a word anymore. There's no such thing as affordable houses. Everything's in the sky. And what you're asking for, what I'm asking for, is just stabilization. Something that is stable, a price that is realistic, and something that is not just going to keep going up and everybody's fighting to grab it. So that is how a market is supposed to be. It's supposed to have pullback. It's supposed to have corrections. It's supposed to have crashes. It's supposed to have all these things to cycle out the weak hands, to cycle out the bad investments, to cycle out the bad decisions, to cycle out business owners and get new business owners, to cycle out opportunity. You guys following with me? So when you ask yourself, why is everybody wanting a housing crash? It's not because they're evil, bad, greedy, or anything. It's simply because they want opportunity. Clean, fresh opportunity. Opportunity to give you a shot. Opportunity to give me a shot. Opportunity to give others able to maybe afford a 200K home to buy a 200K home, not have to bid $270,000, not have to go into more debt, not have to realize they can't afford anything right now. That is why a housing crash is wanted. Not because anybody's evil or bad, but because we want better opportunity for ourselves, because things right now are in the sky and make no sense whatsoever. So guys, if you guys can vibe with that, comment below. Tell me why you want a housing crash to happen. Is it overdue? Is it time? Is it going to happen? And what are your thoughts? Comment it below. And if you got value, hit the like button. And most importantly, I upload 3 times every week. So hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the future videos. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'm out.